Hey everyone, and welcome back to the Weather Centre. I've zoomed our satellite imagery in over the northeastern parts of the country. There's a very deep layer of moisture all across this area, and the thunder showers that have been developing this afternoon across the region have been producing heavy downpours already over parts of Limpopo, Mpumalanga, and even the northeastern corner of KwaZulu-Natal, as indicated by the shades of orange and red on the satellite imagery. For this reason, there is still a watch in place for tonight as well as into tomorrow for the possibility of heavy rainfall occurring over those areas as well as around the KZN Drakensberg. There really is a high probability for heavy rainfall across the area in the next 24-hour period, so we'll be keeping a close eye on that. This is also indicated on our synoptic analysis for tonight. There's a low pressure system that's moving to the east of the country, and that's pushing moisture in from the south all across the east coast and further inland. At the same time, there's also that tropical moisture moving down from further northwards, and where these two sources of moisture meet is where we have a very high probability for rainfall as well as the likelihood for heavy rain this evening. Heading into tomorrow, the likelihood for heavy rain remains in place over that area, especially during the course of the morning. And in the afternoon, there'll be isolated thunder showers returning to parts of the northwest as well as the Free State. We could have some light rain along the east coast. It's going to be a mostly cloudy day for both Durban and Richards Bay, while towards the western parts of the country, lots of sunshine in the forecast. That's going to be pushing the temperatures up all across the area. The rainfall probability map shows wet weather for the central and eastern parts this evening, but especially wet where we have the heavy rainfall possible, widespread showers and thunderstorms across that area. Similar conditions into KwaZulu-Natal, while in the Eastern Cape there's still scattered thunderstorms for tonight, especially for the inland communities of that province. Moving ahead to your minimum temperatures, and it's going to be cool overnight for some areas over the eastern high ground and over the southern parts of the country. Elsewhere, it's going to be warm with temperatures in the high teens and low 20s. And tomorrow afternoon is going to be fairly cool over the areas where we expect the wet weather, while over the western parts we see temperatures climbing into the mid to upper 30s for many places, especially in the Northern Cape, but also near the west coast of the country. Vredendal, 39 degrees, your high. A quick look ahead in the extended forecast for Durban, and as we've seen, there will be some rain around tomorrow. It will be a mostly cloudy but warm day. Temperatures rising as we head towards the weekend. Saturday is expected to be quite windy, but by Sunday the winds drop off. It's going to be a mostly clear and dry day, 32 degrees as a maximum, and a very warm start to the day as well with a minimum of 23 degrees. Friday afternoon continues to bring thunder showers to some parts of the central and northern interior. It's going to be dry and hot along the south coast. George, 33 degrees as a maximum, and the high temperatures continue over the western parts of the country on Saturday with a couple of thunder showers once again on the Highveld.